A complete tube mastery and monetization review. More information video description link below this video. Tube mastery and monetization. How I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. Click here to enroll now. 24/7 lifetime access. Work at your own pace. Introducing Tube Mastery and Monetization. Tube Mastery and Monetization teaches how to start, grow, and monetize a hyper-profitable YouTube channel from complete scratch. It doesn't matter if you don't have any tech skills or any previous business experience. Everything you need to know is provided step by step in this training program. My exact strategies. In this complete course, I teach my exact strategies for starting YouTube channels from scratch and show you how I started a YouTube channel and grew it to having 500,000 subscribers in just 1 year. I hold nothing back as I show you secret algorithm growth hacks, tips, and strategies for growing quickly and going viral that I have not seen, taught anywhere else online. See what existing TMM members have to say. When you join Tube Mastery and Monetization, you get full and immediate access to Module 1, Overview of the Blueprint 3 Stages to YouTube, Beta Phase, Choosing a Niche and Planning Your Content, Intermediate Phase, Uploading 33 Videos, Scaling Phase, Outsourcing the Work. Module 2, Choosing a Niche, Ways of Going About YouTube, the Best High CPM Niches, Doing Market Research, Bonus, List of 100 Plus Profitable Niches. Module 3, Setting Up Your Channel for Success, the 33 Rule, and How to Use It, the Best YouTube Tool Ever Made, My Secret SEO Keyword Process, Planning Your Content Strategy. Module 4, Uploading Videos, Anatomy of a Viral Video, How to Systematize Your Videos, Where to Find Free Content, How to Edit Videos for Free, Making High Click-Through Rate Thumbnails. Module 5, The Growth Module, Understanding YouTube Analytics and the Algorithm, How to Truly Go Viral on YouTube, Breaking the Biggest Myths and Misconceptions and Laying Down Some Truth, the Best Time of Day to Upload. Module 6, the Monetization Module, How to Make More Money Than Most YouTubers, the Many Ways of Monetizing Your Channel, My Personal Favorite Way of Making Money Utilizing YouTube. Module 7, Scaling Your Channel, Hiring one person to do all the content creation, Making a Video Creation Assembly Line. Bonus, Fill in the blank scripts for finding and hiring employees. Here's a summary of everything you get. This is not your typical course. We provide you with everything you need to be successful, the complete Tube Mastery and Monetization program, so you can start a profitable YouTube channel and have all the necessary skills needed to start with the right niche and then take that channel to the next level. Tube Mastery and Monetization Student Facebook Group, instant access to the Tube Mastery Mastermind Group so you can strategize and get help from previous students and help from Matt Parr himself. But wait, that's not all. Bonus, list of 100 plus profitable niches plus example channels. To make sure you choose the absolute best niche or make sure that you have already chosen a good niche, we give you a list of over 100 different profitable niches and profitable example channels in many of those niches then you can clone for yourself. Fill in the blank video script templates. We also throw in fill in the blank video script templates to help you systematize your videos. This will also make outsourcing your content easier down the line as well as making video scripts yourself a breeze. We give you both personal brand channel and list channel templates. Tube channel case studies, value, $97. Get access to a whole other course which shows a ton of channel case studies in different niches to help you decide which niche you should choose. 100% money back guarantee. We are serious about our program and want you to be serious too. Therefore, we will refund your money 100% if you are not happy with the program within 60 days of purchase. This offer expires soon, today only, $997 win time. Click here to enroll in more student reviews. Click here for more student testimonials and success stories. Tube Mastery and Monetization, click here to enroll now. Frequently asked questions, is this for beginners or experts? Tube Mastery and Monetization is for everyone interested in YouTube. This is a complete roadmap to take beginners all the way to making a full-time income and just as much content for the veterans to scale their business and perfect their techniques. When will I start making money? It depends on you. It's possible to start making money within a week after joining. But it's also possible you'll make nothing. Just because you have this information, I cannot guarantee you'll take action on it. What if I have questions or problems? You'll have access to a private Facebook group where I'll be answering questions as well as other students. We're here for your success, so any possible issue or roadblock will be addressed ASAP. Does this work if I'm not in the US? Yes. It doesn't matter where you're from. As long as you have an internet connection and access to YouTube, you'll be able to do the methods I teach in the program. More information video description link below this video.